You found this product to sell on Amazon, but it's just too competitive. What can you do to stand out? Let's get started. Let's talk about the frequently bought together box, which you find in almost each and every Amazon listing page or product page. This is a very valuable box because it can provide you as a seller information about your own products and how you can actually expand your brands, or even on what's happening with other sellers. So you're on your product research journey and you log into Amazon and you type bestsellers. Let's look at what's actually selling on Amazon. We scroll down and we go to the kitchen and we find this really easy, cool product to sell. It is something that is consumable, so customers, if they like it, they're gonna buy it again and again and again. And as you can see, according to Helium 10, it's selling around more than 1,000 units per month. But the product is selling at 24 dirhams currently. Normally it's selling at 30 dirhams, still very, very low priced. And the product page is an Amazon choice. It's a best seller, as well as it has 426 reviews at 4.5 rating. This is an incredible product. This is gonna be really, really difficult to compete against. So what can you do? Let's scroll down and come to this box known as the frequently bought together box. This box actually shows you what people are buying once they purchase the initial item. This is information that comes directly from the Amazon algorithm. And since Amazon sees that customers are buying these two products together, they actually give them as a suggestion to other customers. That way they can increase the amount of money that customers are spending on the website. It's a pretty, we call it upselling in sales. It's a pretty common thing, but on Amazon it's done very smartly. So now that you know what people are doing, all of these, maybe let's say 50% of the 1,000 orders, if they're actually ordering this product, now we found a product that can be potentially also a good product, maybe not really that competitive. You can either utilize the second product in order to maybe bundle it with the first product and be a little bit unique, if that is possible, or you can just simply sell the second product all by itself. So if you were the seller of these air fryer paper liners, I would definitely suggest that you sell the oil sprayer, or if not, then maybe you can figure out creating a bundle so that you can stand out. Look, this is very valuable information, and honestly, it's free because you find it on Amazon. There's no tool needed, there's nothing needed. You can just see what Amazon suggests, so it's pretty cool to look at it. But there's another thing that you can do, which requires a little bit of manual work for you to figure out, okay, what do people like about the product? What do they not like about the product? And what can you do in order to stand out? Because that's the name of the game when you're selling on Amazon. But before I get into the reviews and how you can utilize the reviews, here are 3 ways that you can work with the Amazon Sellers Society. You can enroll in our courses to learn how to sell on Amazon UAE and KSA, or you can enroll in our Done For You service program where we can help you launch your business from zero on Amazon in the Middle East. If you are currently selling on Amazon and require help and support with sales, marketing, increasing your selling on Amazon, then you can reach out to our team as well through our account management services. The only way that you can reach out to us is through our official website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll find all the links in the description box of this video. You'll also find our free training in the description box of this video. Now, I'm sure you've probably heard this before. You can analyze the reviews, and I like using information that has been tried and tested, and that's why you should be analyzing the reviews on Amazon, because you can look at the reviews and you try to figure out what people like, what people don't like about the product, or what you can focus on if you want to sell the same exact product, what things you can focus on in order to make it a little bit easier for the customer to purchase your product. Like as an example, these reviews are absolutely excellent. All of them are good, but that doesn't mean anything. You don't need to find something that's bad in order to sell the product. But as you can see here, one review that stands out says that the liner is very big, so she's having to cut it. So maybe you could design or you can focus a little bit more on this, because obviously people have different sizes of air fryers and the paper can be cut quite easily, of course, but focusing on that pain point can actually make you stand out, because it can seem that only your product can be cut, whereas maybe others can't. So that's what I mean. Now, You have to do this manually, which requires a lot of work, but you can actually utilize a tool from Helium 10 that can analyze all of these reviews. So the tool is called Review Insights, and as you can see, it's just basically cataloging all of the reviews, showing us what are the top phrases utilized in each and every, well, mostly in the reviews, and just like some really helpful reviews that people have found helpful and thumbs up. So you can read all of that without, it's a little bit easier than having to do all of the manual work and checking out all of the reviews one by one. It makes it a little bit easier, just a little bit easier, yeah. Now remember one thing, Amazon is a competitive platform, but that's not only for us as sellers, but that's what customers really like. One of the criteria as to why customers like to log into Amazon is that they can find so many different options on one page. So it's not necessarily a negative thing to have multiple sellers selling multiple options. It's actually a quite positive thing in the eyes of the customer. And at the end of the day, customer is always king. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.